At INFRONT, we empower efficiency and innovation in the world of construction machinery. With a strong focus on reliability and performance, we provide global buyers with professional, high-value solutions designed to reshape how businesses work and build. With 10 years of manufacturing expertise since our founding in 2015, we have grown from a single production base in Shandong into a trusted name in the construction machinery industry. Our continuous pursuit of innovation and quality has made us a dependable partner for more than 1,000 enterprise clients worldwide. Serving markets across North America, Europe, Australia, and South America, our products reach distributors and business partners through established networks in the United States, Poland, Germany, and Australia. Our global presence ensures seamless cooperation and stable supply for every partner we serve. Our manufacturing facility spans 100,000 square meters and features advanced equipment and streamlined production lines for raw material processing, welding, assembly, and final testing. Certified under ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standards, it achieves an annual output of more than 30,000 units and is strengthened by strong R&D capabilities with over 30 national patents. We offer full-cycle support that includes color and logo customization, special function development, and flexible payment terms. Every machine comes with a 1 to 2 year warranty, along with online technical assistance and free replacement parts, ensuring confidence and convenience from purchase to operation. Behind every product stands a dedicated team of more than 300 employees, including over 100 mid and senior-level technical professionals. Guided by a culture of care, inclusiveness, communication, and responsibility, their collective expertise drives our commitment to delivering machinery solutions that enhance productivity and create lasting value for our partners. INFRONT. Let machinery reshape life.